I'm a member of Tapologo Cooperative. My name is Itumile Moheta. We started our project with Thembalethu on them trying to assist the emerging farmers on how to enter the market of boar goats commercially. That was the initial idea of the project, to assist farmers on entering the commercial market. And the area that I stay in is Lake So, under the Greater Taung Municipality. Then where I reside is Kalahari Farm, plot 644. Yeah, we fall under Ward 1 of Greater Taung. We started the project with 20 boar goats. And when Thembalethu came in, they came in with 20 boar goats and 1 ram. Then they assisted us with the infrastructure, how to develop the infrastructure, proper infrastructure, if you want to enter the commercial market. And in so doing, there were a few things that we had to do, like to enter the boar goats market. We had to sell goats that were not pure boar goats. So there was only one in our kraal, which we sold, and we used the money to improve on the structure and infrastructure for the boar goats. One thing that we used the money for of the goat that we sold was we paid for the labor. It was done for the whole kraal. And with the change that was left, we used it to buy the feeds, because we haven't received them yet due to the supplier. We're still waiting for the supply. And it was how we contribute to the project. What do I think of the project? I think it's a good initiative for farmers, more especially who have been trying to enter into the commercial market, like myself, but we didn't have the idea to which we wanted to go about the whole thing. It was very much complex and it eluded us a bit. So when Thembalethu came in, they gave us a clear picture and a vision of what we wanted to go about entering the commercial market. That's how Thembalethu assisted us. So at least it boosted our confidence that we can make it and be a part of the commercial market on the side of the boar goats. My life is going to change. How my life is going to change since we started the project with Thembalethu. It gave us confidence. It gave us confidence that it is possible in this harsh market industry. It boosted our confidence. It made us want to work harder and always stay on our toes to improve whatever knowledge that we get from the business. So made us want to research more, made us love working with the goats. And also, since we started the project, we've been reading and researching more about the goats, on the fees, the kind of medicine they need, and all those stuff. Where do I see the business in 5 years' time? Hopefully we would have by then entered the commercial market. That's the idea. And I hope the business will grow and it will motivate us to enter into new markets. Like already we have started thinking about going commercially with the goats. Since Thembalethu came in, they gave us that idea of when you can go further. You don't have to just settle for goats. So we also thought about going commercially with the sheep, and yeah, hopefully in a few years we will have. We were thinking of breeding with the Bonsmar cow.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many are you in the cooperative?
And the number of people in our cooperative, we are 2 males and 3 females.
Youth or adults?
Youth.
Okay.
But a few, yeah, just 2.
Okay. No, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure.
Thank you.